In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer your stocks from Robinhood to TD Ameritrade. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you have to do to transfer your stocks from Robinhood is to log into your account in the TD website. After you are properly logged in, simply access your profile or account page, and from the deposit option, you can simply select External Securities Transfer or Account Transfer. After you select Account Transfer from your account page, you will be able to look for Robinhood in the search prompt that appears on the next tab. You can simply look for Robinhood and it should be listed under the Robinhood name. After you select Robinhood Securities, you can select your full account or partial account to transfer and set up the information needed like your account name, ID, etc. This should be worked out on a few business days, and as long as you search for Robinhood in the account transfer prompt and you input the correct information, you will be able to transfer the entirety of your account. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer stocks from Robinhood to TD Ameritrade. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.